welcome back to my channel. I'm Madison and this is Maddcrafty. So I'm doing 25 days of holiday crafts and today is day 7. So for day 7 we're gonna make these. If you've never made your own earrings before, this is a really good introduction. Everything I used will be listed in the description box below. Let's do this. Okay, we're starting off with 3 wooden beads. In my right I have tinier versions and in my left I have the jumbo versions, which I'm using and I think those are better. I painted them in white acrylic paint and it's a little bit messy because I wanted it to have texture. Also very carefully using wood glue or jewelry glue or regular glue, you want to glue all 3 beads together very neatly with all the holes exposed. I have a 2-inch head pin here, and because the beads are kind of big, we first have to put a smaller bead at the bottom so the beads don't fall off. So now I'm using my pliers to make a very small little loop at the end of my head pin so that we can attach the earring. In the corner there is the set that I use. So now you're just going to slip your naked snowman right in there. Now you're going to get your pliers out again and you are going to take your fishhook earring and open up that loop just a little bit, enough so that it could fit through the other little loop that you made on your head pin. Once you get it through, you're going to take your pliers back and then close the loop on the earring. Okay, so now it's time to make the scarf. You can make a scarf whatever way you wish, but I used embroidery thread. I cut 6 16-inch pieces of thread. So I just made a quick knot at the top and then I just braided my embroidery thread. Okay, so my braid is done and I'm just going to make the same knot at the very end so it's all closed up. If it's a little messy, it doesn't matter. You can trim it, you can fix it. So I have my scarf at the back of my snowman. I'm just kind of crossing it over, adding a little bit of hot glue so that it stays in place. You can wrap around as many times as you want. You could have fun with this part. I think I'm just going to keep it basic, and I have green eyes, which is why I chose the green embroidery thread. So definitely work fast because the hot glue dries really quickly and you want to make sure that scarf is secure and in place, so add glue wherever necessary. Now I'm taking a permanent marker to add my eyes, mouth, and buttons. So I found these beads that look exactly like carrot noses. They're really light and they're pointy, so it's perfect. Again, working quickly using my hot glue and attaching that nose. And just like that, you're done. Add a partner and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to see the earrings that you made, so please tag me at Maddcrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com so I can see what you made. See you next time!